How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of pectus excavatum. Excavatum, the best tips and tricks that work. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So when I'm helping my personal training clients, the people that I train, or if I'm just giving general advice to people, because I get a lot of emails about this. And the main thing that you need to know, if it's a mild case of pectus, then you can kind of fix it. If it's moderate to really severe, you're gonna need surgery. So just keep that in mind. Most people though that are sending me pics and are saying, hey, like how do I get rid of it? It's mostly mild symptoms. But again, if you have severe symptoms, you will probably need surgery. With that being said, if you have the mild symptoms, the best thing to do is to stretch and strengthen your chest and back muscles. This is going to improve your thorax mobility. Super, super important. So a lot of chest exercises, stretching it, a lot of exercises to strengthen it. Same with the upper back. That's going to be super, super important. So chest, you could do like incline bench, a barbell bench. For your upper back, you could do like pull-ups or chin-ups and lat pull downs if you want to. Stuff like that. Face pulls, that works really good too. But again, the chest and the back, super, super important. You don't just want to train the chest. A lot of people will do that. You want to train the chest and the back. Very important. The next thing is proper posture. So many people have bad posture from literally looking at their phones all day or looking on the computer or having an office job always on the computer. Your posture will be bad. So you need to improve that. There's a ton of posture stretches you can do. Lots of posture stretches. Just find a couple, do a couple, and rotate them weekly. That's all you have to do. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.